When a Perconer monitoring and management PMM server starts running out of disk space, it's vital to identify the culprit quickly. In this case, we found that ClickHouse within PMM was consuming massive amounts of disk due to a large trace log table in system database. To find the specific tables responsible for excessive disk usage, we connected to the PMM server container and queried ClickHouse. We discovered that the trace log table in system database was a whopping 346 GB. To understand the issue with the trace log table, we reviewed its partition details and found that it contained partitions dating back over 8 months, consuming massive amounts of disk space. Our first step was to add a time-to-live TTL policy to automatically remove data older than 30 days from the trace log table. We edited the ClickHouse configuration, added the TTL definition, and restarted ClickHouse to apply the changes. To reclaim disk space immediately, we manually removed the existing historical data from the trace log table. However, this process wasn't straightforward due to a safety mechanism in ClickHouse that prevented dropping large partitions 50 GB without explicit confirmation. After implementing our solution, we successfully reduced the disk usage and established a sustainable automatic cleanup process through the TTL configuration. This ensures that trace logs older than 30 days will be automatically purged, preventing future disk space issues.